Hey guys, this is Robert with RobertSavesHistory, and today is my first day back on YouTube from my vacation. So you guys will see me in and out of the streams, so I'm glad to be back. So when I got back from my vacation, I actually got a late birthday gift from my parents, and they gave it to me, and I was ecstatic when I saw what I got. It is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what I got. So first, I'm going to go ahead and say this is awesome. This is a microscope that, so I actually have it set up. So that's what it looks like right there. It has your plate. It connects to your wall to charge, and then you can disconnect it, and it's actually a wireless. And then if you want to, you can connect it via PC, or you can actually turn it to Wi-Fi and have it run as a Wi-Fi router to your phone or to your computer, that kind of stuff. So that's cool. I tried it out last night. It really does look pretty good. So hopefully I'll be able to try that out on a video upcoming. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it out. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It runs on HD video, takes pictures, it has an LED light, it rotates. It is awesome. So there you go. I don't have a link description on any of these items. I'm sorry, but they are awesome. You could probably find them on Amazon, eBay, I mean, you name it. The next, I got the 2021 version of the Redbook. So that's cool. And in one of my previous videos, I do have the 2020 version of the Redbook. They surprised me. They got me the 2021. That is awesome. I told them that is awesome. The 2021, the only thing that's different in these books is the price. The price of what it's valued for. But other than that, even though it is the same exact book, that is awesome. And then they came out with the big Whomping thing. So this book is, everybody should probably already know what this book is. It is the United States Coins Mega Red Book. So the big red book is awesome. It is the same thing as this one, but a lot better. And if you can grab your hands on one of these, go for it. And the reason why I say go ahead and grab one of these, also this, don't get me wrong, this is awesome also. It's really handy, it's really small, it's really a book that you can actually take with you. That is awesome. This right here, let me just show you. So it like I said, it's the same thing. It tells you about coin collecting and all that kind of stuff, right? But then it goes in depth about the history, and then at the beginning of each section, I'm sorry guys, my parrot likes to talk on video also. But at the beginning of every section, it actually shows you what let me find one for you. Okay, so what it actually shows you is the grading scales. That is awesome, because if you don't know how to grade, and let's say you don't want to, you're worried about, oh, I don't know what PCGS or some of the other grading companies, if you don't know or you're worried about what it's going to grade, you can get this book and you can actually flip and go, oh man, I have an 1804 Browning, and if it looks like that, then it's going to be graded as an F12. Right, so, or an AU58. And so it helps you determine, is it worthy to send off to get graded and put into a case, or you just want to keep it in your collection. Even though it is still going to be in your collection, it's just not going to be in an actual case with a certificate. But this is awesome. I love that it gives you the history. I love that it gives you the grading scales. It gives you some of the prices for what the grading is. Yeah, if you can grab your hands on a book like this, go for it. It is worth it. It's worth the money. I'm so glad I got it for my birthday. Yeah, that is awesome. So thank you so much to my parents. Thank you so much for what you guys do. Thank you to my wife and my kids for the encouragement and for the support for my channel and for my hobby. I really, really, really appreciate it. And that's it, guys. So I will catch you on the next video, and hopefully I'll see you in some of the streams. If you haven't done so, go ahead and like the video. If you also haven't done so, subscribe to me, ring that bell, so every time I make a video, you'll be the first one to know. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you, guys.